Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add funds to your Ton Wallet application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, launch the Ton Keeper application on your device. To add funds, select the Receive option, which will generate your unique Ton Wallet address. You can see Receive button at the home screen here. Now click on Copy button. Now to transfer funds, you need to transfer funds from an external wallet or exchange. Use the copied wallet address to send Ton coins from an external wallet or exchange. Simply paste the address on the send field of a platform you are using to transfer funds. Once the transaction is processed, your funds will appear on your Ton Keeper wallet balance. This might take a few minutes depending on network connection. If you experience any issue, ensure that you are sending funds from a compatible Ton network wallet or exchange. So that is how you can add funds to your Ton wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.